A private oasis. Your DIY patio fence awaits. Are you dreaming of a more private and stylish patio? Building a fence yourself can make that dream come true. It's easier than you think, especially with our step-by-step guide. A DIY fence gives you control over the design and materials. Plus, it's much cheaper than hiring a professional. You'll save money and have the satisfaction of doing it yourself. Imagine relaxing on your patio, surrounded by your beautiful new fence. No more nosy neighbors. You can finally enjoy your morning coffee in peace. Ready to get started? Let's gather the tools and materials you'll need for your DIY fence project. Before we start building, let's gather everything we need. Don't worry, you won't need any fancy tools. Most of these things you can find at your local hardware store. For this project, you'll need fence panels. Choose a style you love. Fence posts. These are the strong supports for your fence. Gravel. This helps with drainage around your posts. Concrete mix. This secures your posts in place. A post hole digger or auger. This makes digging the holes much easier. A level. This ensures your posts are straight. Measuring tape. Accurate measurements are key. A saw. For trimming the fence panels to size. Safety glasses and gloves. Safety first. Now that we have our tools and materials, let's move on to planning the layout of your fence. It's time to plan where your fence will go. This is a crucial step, so measure carefully. First, decide where you want your fence line. Use stakes and string to mark the corners and any gates. Next, measure the distance between the stakes. This tells you how many fence panels and posts you'll need. Remember, it's better to have a little extra material than not enough. Once you have your measurements, you can start digging the holes for your fence posts. Section 4. Setting the stage. Installing your fence posts. Now comes the fun part, digging. Using your post hole digger or auger, dig a hole for each fence post. The holes should be about 1/3 the height of the fence post deep. This ensures a sturdy foundation for your fence. Place a few inches of gravel at the bottom of each hole. This helps with drainage and prevents the posts from rotting. Next, place a fence post in each hole. Use your level to make sure they are straight. Then, pour the concrete mix into the holes, making sure it's level with the ground. Let the concrete dry completely before moving on to the next step. Section 5. Putting it all together. Attaching the fence panels. With your fence posts securely in place, it's time to attach the panels. This is where your fence starts to really take shape. Slide the fence panels into the brackets on your posts. Make sure they are level and secure them with screws. If you need to trim a panel to fit, now is the time to do it. Use your saw and remember to wear your safety glasses. Once all the panels are up, step back and admire your work. You're almost done. Section 6. Adding your personal touch, finishing and decorating. Now it's time to add your personal touch. You can paint or stain your fence any color you like. This is a great way to match your fence to your house or patio furniture. For added privacy, consider adding lattice to the top of your fence. You can even plant climbing vines for a touch of greenery. Adding solar lights is a great way to create ambiance. Let your creativity shine. Your DIY fence is a blank canvas. Section 7. Enjoy your new fence. Congratulations, you did it. You built your very own patio fence. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy your private outdoor space. Share pictures of your beautiful new fence with us. We can't wait to see what you created. Happy building!